Hi, my name is James Bird and welcome to the fourth video in this series. This particular video examines operators, basic addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, modulus, increment and decrement. So in this particular JavaScript file, I've included two variables. In this case, I've got variable x and variable y. Variable x is defined as a number and it's given the value of 2. And variable y is defined also as a number and given the value of 3. Now what I want to do is I actually want to show how we can use these variables and apply simple mathematical formulas in order to do something with them. So in the first line here, just to sort of explain what this is doing, what this will actually do here is concatenate string variables together. So I'm just saying in the console I want to output the string x equals, then I want to show what the value of that particular variable is. And then I want to add another string, in this case a comma, space, y equals, and then the value output of the y variable. This is a really useful tool, this string concatenation, to display to the user, or the debugger in this particular case, what the operation is that you're trying to do and what the values are. In the second line here, I'm doing a simple addition. In this case, we can see that I'm adding the value of x and y, and I'm putting that answer out to the console log. Then I'm doing a subtraction, multiplication, division, a modulus, which is the remainder of the division that you're doing. In this case, I'm doing an increment of the x value. Just remember that it's the value, so in this case it would be x, which equals x plus 1. So we've got to be very careful that this actually changes the value of x. So this is basically like saying var x equals x plus 1. And we can see that we're putting the output of that here. And we can also do a decrement, which is the same, but just minusing one value. And here I'm just decrementing the y value. So if I then view this in the console window in Chrome, we can see the values. So we can see this was x equals, here is x equals, the value of x, which was here, which was 2. And then we can see y equals, which was y equals here. And then the value, which was 3, which was the value of y, which was the value here. So this is very useful. Then we've got our various additions, subtractions. So we've got 2 plus 3 is 5. We have 2 minus 3 is negative 1. We have our multiplication, 2 times 3 is 6. Our division, 2 divided by 3 is 0.66 continuous. Then we have our modulus, which is how many times does this variable go into this variable? Well, 2 goes into 3 once, but there's 2 remaining values, which gives us our 2 modulus. Our increment, which was our value of x, so we know that x is 2, so this would actually be 2 plus 1, which gives us 3. And we know that our value of y was 3, and then we say y, which was 3, minus 1, which gives us 2. So here's just a very, very simple description of utilizing mathematical operations inside of JavaScript.